Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Facebook dating unavailable. So usually if you are eligible and you live in a region where Facebook dating is available or is eligible and you are above 18, you're going to be able to click the menu at the bottom right so you can meet the requirement. You can find it in the shortcuts right here. If you haven't, just click show more, and as you can see I don't have that feature. So why is that? We're gonna go ahead to the Facebook article, right? Who can use Facebook dating, right? Facebook dating is available in many countries for adults with active Facebook accounts. First, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in a good standing that is at least 30 days old, live in a country where dating is available. So as you can see, you need to meet the requirements, and this is where the countries where Facebook launched or rolled their update. So you can see right here Argentina, Belgium, France, United States, Paraguay, essentially Europe and America, right? So if you are not in that region or you're not in that location, unfortunately you won't be able to receive that feature. So if you happen to be someone who lives in those regions and you still haven't gotten that feature, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and then type Facebook. Okay, in order to basically get that feature, you need to update your Facebook to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. If you haven't, just go ahead to Facebook and then click the menu at the bottom right and then find the help and support, and then just go ahead and report a problem, right? And continue to report by clicking the last option. And if you want to include screenshots, just go ahead and include screenshot and select where is your problem, right? So I'm gonna select which is I'm gonna select a problem. Let's say feature something. Let me find feature. If it's not available, you can just go ahead and type, let's say, profile, and then just type in your problem. Hey, I don't have that feature, I don't have the dating feature, how can I fix that problem? And you give them your private information like your email, not the password or anything too private. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.